Hi everyone and happy Sunday. We are still continuing with the Black Friday deals over on CraftStash. Only a couple more days left now. So it's Sunday the 1st of December. So happy December. But we've got new offers for you added, even on top of all the other amazing offers and deals we've had throughout the last week. So today we are starting with Creative Craft products. We have got an embossing folder sale. So you're going to save up to 50% on the Creative Craft products embossing folders. We've also got Crochet Society boxes. Now these are your premium crochet kits. These are half price, unbelievable, half price. We had the Papercraft Society boxes at half price earlier in the week, and now we are looking at the crochet kits as well. So go and check out which ones of those are still available. Then we are back to Creative Craft products because we've got watercolor ink sets. Now these are beautiful saturated watercolor inks. They're a set of 5 bottles. They're little glass bottles. They're absolutely beautiful. You've got 2 different colors and then, or color schemes to choose from, and they are only £4.99. That's less than £1 a bottle. Absolutely amazing. Go and check those out. Then Daisy May stamps. We all know, if you love your stamping, Daisy May is the brand to get your hands on and collect. So Daisy May stamp, we've got up to 50% off of those items. And the last offer to tell you about today is the Love Sewing Advent Calendar. I know it's the 1st of December, but you've still got time to get your Advent Calendar. You can cheekily go through the first few early, that's fine, not a problem. But 30% off the Advent Calendar now. And to be honest, even if you don't open it leading up to Christmas, you can just open it all at once. We won't tell anybody. Love Sewing Advent Calendar, that is available for you at 30% off today as well. Now, as always, all of these offers include an additional 10% off if you are a VIP member. So to become a member, find out all the details either down below in the description or on the website. That's www.craftstash.co.uk or craftstash.us. So happy Black Friday weekend, everybody. I hope you are taking advantage of all these amazing offers. I will see you again tomorrow for the last day for Cyber Monday in the Black Friday week. Take care, everybody. Have a lovely weekend.